time you want to cook in the kitchen, okay? So today we're going to do a little outside cooking. I'm going to do some bhaji. Normal bhaji, no big deal. No coconut milk, nothing. Straightforward bhaji. So what you do, you get some garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic. You remove the shell from the garlic and you sort of squash it up. You could use the back of a chopper or a knife, or if you have any fancy device, just make sure it's chopped up. So you have garlic, and then you have onion, 1 onion. Today in my backyard I'm going to be doing some bhaji. Now I don't have the sink close by, so I have a container with some water. So I'm going to take out the shell from the onion, cut it up, chunk it up anyhow you want. Remove the outside shell, because you know that is hard to digest really. So I'm going to put this in some water, give it a little rinse. You hear the dogs barking in the neighborhood? You know, the weather is so nice and you just want to relax and do a little backyard cooking. You understand? So this is onion. And I have here a tomato. Wash that tomato. And chop it. Simple ingredients to make bhaji. So we're going to use the spinach leaves I'm using today. This is the spinach leaf that has been chopped. 1 bunch of spinach leaf chopped. And also, I forgot the pepper, but I'm going to throw in a hot pepper somewhere along the line. So I'll be back with the rest of the cooking. Yeah, and I'm going to chop half of this pepper, hot pepper. So this is all you really need. You need some tomatoes, some onion, some garlic, and some pepper. Those are the basic things that you need for this bhaji. So let me go to the pot now. So to the pot, turn the flames on a little bit. And you light the flame. You don't want the pot too hot. You don't want the pot too hot. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some oil in. It's about 1½ tablespoon or 1 3/4 tablespoon of oil. And let it heat up. Yeah, as I said, I'm doing some outside cooking today. Andreas Trini Show. Welcome to your girl Andreas Trini Show. I'm outside in my backyard. You understand? So now that the oil is hot, what you want to do is to throw in the onion. You don't want to put in the garlic first, because the garlic will get discolored, okay? So you put in the onion. And let that saute in that oil. Then you want to put in the garlic. Really nice aroma. And you put in all the others, the tomatoes and the sweet and the pepper. And you let it saute for about until it becomes tender. So after 5 minutes, this is what the vegetables look saute, and you're going to put in the bhaji. You're not going to add any water to this pot. No water. All you do is to toss it around. Smells so good already. Toss it around, let all the vegetables consume with the bhaji. Now I'm going to add a little salt. Not much, just a little salt. You can eat this with a variety of food. You can eat this with white rice. You could eat this with roti. You could eat this with bake. And I'm going to cover it until it is finished. So see you again when it is through. Now one thing you don't want to do is to overcook your vegetables. Right? So what I'm going to do, because if I leave the lid on, when the water evaporates and condenses back in the pot, it's going to create a pool of water here. You see, I did not have to add any water to this pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the lid from the pot so that it could steam down on its own. And I'm going to leave it for another 3 minutes, and it should be through. You have really delicious tasting bhaji coming from Andrea's backyard. Okay, so the bhaji is finished, and I'm going to display it for you guys. Really delicious, and this is very healthy, vegan friendly. So try this video out, try this recipe in fact, and tell me how it came out, and leave a really nice comment in the comment box below. I'm going to post the ingredients in the bottom. So this is the girl Andrea from Andrea's Trini Show in my backyard today, cooking up a storm. Cooking up a storm with bhaji. So this is the end product of my bhaji. Hope you like, comment and share. See you again with another outdoor cooking. This is the girl Andrea saying bye for now. Bye.